Shout out to Ma'am Lynette. Lynette is saying, "Good eve po, Doc. May cracking sound akong naririnig once I stand up and sit down." Thank you, Ma'am Lynette. Again, it's possible na those are signs and symptoms of osteoarthritis if you are 50 years old and beyond. But if you are younger, pwede rin po na yung mga cracking sound is muscle imbalance lang from the tight muscles niyo po. Always consult with your doctor and get a history, physical examination, and x-rays para ma-confirm po. Hope this helps, Ma'am Lynette. And moving forward, so next question. So after the MRI, Doc, totoo po ba yun na every pound I lose removes 4 pounds of pressure sa tuhod? This is depending on the literature. Yes, it is true. Some will say 3. Some books will say 3 times the body weight. Some will say 4. So if you lose 1 pound, malaking bagay po yan. And other books will say at least 5% ng body weight will cause approximately 40% less pain. So malaki talaga yung weight loss po. And I do want you to understand na the best way to do this weight loss protocol is through diet and exercise po.